We are much more than a battery manufacturer. We are innovators. We energize the world. Established in 1918. Part of the Total Group since 2016. Saft has always been at the forefront of creating future technologies. Saft's reliable cutting-edge nickel technology batteries have conquered land, air, space, and sea, and have also met the toughest challenges like sub-zero temperatures, intense heat, or frequent blackouts. After the successful acquisition of Amco by Saft, Saft is poised to be at the forefront of India's growth story with its new Saft Urja brand.
Saft India aims at spreading wings in renewable, industrial and data center markets while extending its presence in existing markets of oil and gas, utilities and metro rail.
Our increased focus on local production echoes our belief in the Make in India philosophy. That is what makes Saft Urja a truly global brand. Global in spirit, local at heart.
Over the last several years, we have made significant investment. So this has improved our competitiveness to a great extent. This also helped us in becoming more flexible to the market changes.
Leveraging our strong client base, global presence and attractive value proposition, Saft Urja is strengthening Saft's position as India's battery leader.
Saft India has strong and robust quality management. Our safety and quality standards are at the same level of other Saft plants in Europe, America and Asia.
Urja means energy, and with renewed vigor, we are set to energize the world.